can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Conflux. It's up at 3% over the last 1 year. It's official when an altcoin season. Altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin over a 90-day period. How will that affect the price of Monero? We'll look at how will that affect the price of Conflux. We'll look at Conflux performance against the US dollar. On a weekly time frame, we'll also look at Conflux performance against Ethereum. How high should we expect it to pump over the next few days and the next few weeks? And we'll also look at Conflux market cap, which sits around the $918 million level. Can we rally to new all-time highs? Bitcoin dominance is dumping. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is neutral. We'll be expecting some greed. We'll talk about how that will affect Conflux. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The altcoin market is pumping. Over the last 1 week, over the last 1 month, we have seen signs of life return back to the altcoin market, with altcoins having some substantial gains. Now, Conflux is one of those altcoins we expect to pump aggressively. If you look at Conflux previous price history, we saw Conflux in November of 2020 pumping aggressively. By the time we got to March of 2021, Conflux was up more than 1,700%. Altcoins are very volatile. They can be very volatile when the market is bullish to the right direction, that's to the upside. But when the market gets bearish, these altcoins could easily dump aggressively to Goblin Town. And that's what happened to Conflux. We saw it going from as high as $1.5, dumping aggressively to Goblin Town, getting to as low as $0.021, losing 98% of its value in the process. Volatility works in both ways. You can easily get those big pumps to the moon, and then you can easily get those huge dumps to Goblin Town. But then if you can have enough balls and enough risk-taking ability to buy the bottom, the market always rewards you for that effort, because if you buy very low, you can sell very high. Remember guys, you're playing a game against other market participants. The game is to buy as low as possible and to sell as high as possible. If you want to make some profit, you have to buy when there's fear in the market, and you have to sell when greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market. From Conflux all-time low on the 2nd of January 2023, we saw it rallying aggressively, finally finding resistance around the $0.49 to the $0.5 level. We got there in March of 2024, but then the rally stopped in March of 2024 after Conflux gave us a 2,000% pump to the upside. The rally had a pause there. We got rejected. That was a very important level for Conflux. We had seen Conflux had huge reactions to that level in the past. In September of 2021, we saw it getting rejected at that $0.52 level. In March of 2024, we also got rejected there, but Conflux was already up 2,300% from the bottom. Then we had a dump to Goblin Town. That's usually in the altcoin market. Guys, if you want to get those big gains in the altcoin market, you have to be able to stomach huge drawdowns, because that's where most of the money is made. We now saw Conflux dumping to Goblin Town from as high as $0.51. We saw it dumping aggressively to Goblin Town, getting to as low as $0.061, losing around 89% of its value. Now, when altcoin season, we've seen Conflux start another rally since June of 2025. We are up already 185%. Begs the $1 million question again. Can Conflux rally above that $0.51 level? From where we're currently trading right now, Conflux will need to pump by around 191% to get there. If Conflux do that, then that will be very interesting, because that will be the highest price we have seen Conflux trade since May of 2021. And if it's possible to get to new all-time highs, it's always possible to get to new all-time highs. Conflux will have to rally to as high as $1.53. That means a 787% pump to the upside for Conflux. 787% pump can always happen. The altcoin market is one of the most volatile markets in the world, and historically, the final phase of the market cycle brings most of the gains for altcoins. I'll not be shocked to see Conflux pull up a bender in the coming days and the coming weeks. With a market cap of around $900 million, Conflux all-time high came in on the 27th of March 2021. We saw it trading for as high as $1.7. Right now it's down 89% from its all-time highs. If you want to get some Conflux tokens for yourself, guys, you can get some Conflux tokens on Binance, on OKX, on BitX, on Mexi, on Gate, on Qcoin, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Conflux tokens right there. Conflux is a public layer 1 blockchain that was made to power decentralized applications, e-commerce, and Web3 infrastructure by being more scalable, decentralized, and secure than existing protocols. If you look at sentiments in the cryptocurrency market right now, sentiment is neutral. The bulls and the bears are battling it out. Bitcoin is near all-time highs. Ethereum is near all-time highs. But sentiment is too neutral because market participants are expecting higher prices. And that leads us to altcoin season. Historically, altcoin season is where you want to be. Altcoin season is when a lot of altcoins make their final gains. A lot of altcoins are going to see their top coming in altcoin season. Historically, if 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, that is an alt season. And after an alt season, guys, a huge dump to Goblin Town will begin. But for that huge dump to Goblin Town to begin, we first have to see these altcoins give us an exit pump. That exit pump, we see Conflux outperforming Ethereum. That exit pump usually sees market participants that made huge gains in Bitcoin and Ethereum start flipping those gains into the altcoin market. And Conflux is one place I would expect those gains to end up in. We saw similar price action in January of 2023. Conflux was already dumping aggressively to Goblin Town against Ethereum, losing almost over 90% of its value from the all-time high. We saw Conflux losing around 97% of its value. But then, when it was down and out, we saw it having one big pump. That pump saw it outperforming Ethereum by 1,500% in around 42 days. So altcoin market can be very volatile. You just have to catch it before the move starts. Over the next few days and the next few weeks, I'll not be shocked to see Conflux give us a 200 to a 500% move to the upside. But remember, guys, the higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more you want to sell for some sweet profit. Bitcoin dominance is dumping. Historically, that's always aided the altcoin market. I'll not be shocked to see Conflux continue pumping aggressively. Conflux market cap sits at $900 million. The line in the sand still for Conflux market cap will still be around the $1.2 billion region. We saw Conflux stopping there in 2021. We saw it having huge reactions around that $1.2 billion level. If we're going for new all-time highs, then we have to rally above $1.2 billion. Conflux market cap, we have to pump past the $2.5 billion level, and that will see Conflux rallying by more than 168% from where we're currently trading. That will see us at new all-time highs. I believe that will happen before the end of the year. I believe that will happen because right now we're in an altcoin season. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Over the next few days and the next few weeks, how high do you see Conflux going? Where will you be selling for some sweet profit? Do you believe a new all-time high is possible? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.